Get a day start. The demands of science are very great indeed, and we should not grudge making the requisite allocations for scientific research. I think Mr. Humayun Kabir was quite right when at the conference of scientists and educationists he suggested that at least 1% of the national income should be located for scientific research and so on. I think it is not a very big demand. At present, we spend only rupees 40 crores, and that is not by any account an adequate sum which is needed in order even to implement what has been spelled out in the Scientific Policy Resolution of 1958. What is the use of passing a resolution and declaring from the top of the house to the world and at the same time not making adequate financial allocations in order to carry out the tasks set out in that resolution? Therefore, the blame in this matter largely lies with the government and the cabinet. The cabinet, I do not know, has very many committees under it, but it should pay a little more attention to scientific research, and I think everything should be done in order to meet their financial requirements. The finance minister of the country should be asked to find money for scientific research, because here, if you spend money, you extend your exploration of the uncharted resources of our country that will lead to an increase in production. Also, in various other scientific fields, the scientific urge for work will lead to increase in national wealth. Therefore, whatever we may spend today out of our financial resources or even by deficit financing, if you like, that will be more than rewarded by the rapid strides that we would be making a few years after as a result of scientific investigations, discoveries, and so on. That is very important. We should have a far sighted view in this matter, and we must try to see beyond our nose. As far as the finance minister is concerned, when it comes to science, he certainly does not see beyond his nose, and that is the trouble with him. Will the Honorable Minister in charge of scientific affairs kindly pull up his colleague in the cabinet meetings and tell him as to how he should pay a little more attention to the problems and requirements of science in the progress of India?